Hey guys, welcome to another video from my listening chair, and this one's a little interesting because I was trying to use the preamp in the built-in Denon DP300F, and it wasn't easy to find because I've been using this turntable here for a few years now, and I've been using a preamp, external preamp. But I was able to talk my wife into letting me use this turntable downstairs. So now it's in the living room. And I have some powered Edifice speakers that are used around the TV, but with, some use of some long RCA. I'm able to go ahead and use these speakers here to run the Denon. So it's actually snowing right now in beautiful Colorado. But it's nice and toasty in here. Now, the whole point of this video is to see where the preamp is. Now, if you know you have a Denon DP300F, you know that there is no place to flip a switch to use the internal preamp. But I'll show you. Take this platter off. And all you got to do is rotate until you get to the top. Well, it was there yesterday. There we go. Turn on this light here. There it is. Let's just see a little better. There's a switch in here. So you go ahead and hit to the right if you want to go ahead and turn on, or excuse me, turn off the internal preamp. If you want to turn it back on, you flip it the other way. And that not only cleaned up the look of the turntable, made it so I don't have an external box on the side. But if you're using one of those Pile P444s or P555s, they do not sound anywhere near as good as the preamp that's built into the DP300F. I'm just giving you that heads up. I tried both of them down here. The only thing that made it sound better was the Fozzy tube amp. Those Piles were exactly that, Piles. So hopefully this helps, guys. If you want to clean up the look, or if you just couldn't find the internal preamp, there you go. Thanks for watching. Again, from my listening chair.